Eastern Mennonite for Harman Construction has been a great client to work with. We've probably done in the last 15 years 8 projects here at the university. We've had a great experience. We have a great partnership. This track facility is kind of like the icing on the cake. I mean, it really puts a gem here at the university. Where we're at right now, we're basically at the start-finish area of the track. It's a 400-meter oval, 8 running lanes. The track assembly is actually 5 layers of material. The track has some really tight tolerances. The track slope from outside to in is no greater than 1%. It allows for drainage into a slot drain system that's on the interior of the track. That pretty much collects all the water. That's the surface drainage from the track itself and the surface drainage coming from all the infield event areas as well. You know, one of the features of this project, of course, is the Musco sports lighting to allow nighttime athletic events. And one thing that goes into the design of sports lighting is the idea that we need to have 95% of the light shine onto the track complex itself, with only 5% shining onto areas outside the track. So we're minimizing light pollution. As we come on down, you can see this area here of the track, the gray shaded area. This is the track and field relay exchange zones where the baton exchanges actually are made. Looking down here further, the blue tarps, they're covering sand pit areas. This is a long jump, triple jump. You'll see 4 of those pits on this end. And we've got javelin throwing that's occurring here. We've got the shot put areas, shot put landing zones with the curves at the end of the landing zones. We've got the netting system here for the hammer throw and the discus. Of course, the hammer throw and the discus, you know, are thrown out into the grass area, and that's part of the reason why we've got the protective netting there to protect anybody that's actually on the track from anything entering there. Back this direction over here, we have the steeplechase pit and the steeplechase jump. When they're running the steeplechase event, the curbing around the outside is adjusted a little bit to allow a running lane through here. The runners will enter from this direction. They'll go over the barrier, go into the water pit, and keep on going around that way. You know, this facility is one you don't typically see at smaller colleges. It's a Division I level track. It's quality of Division I. All of our projects here have ended well, and we've had a great experience, and we hope to continue this with future projects that the university, you know, might bring forward.